keeping that in mind as well.
I don't even have a Twitter, so I don't even let that stuff affect me. I just
Okay.
If we do get a sell, so be it. But I'm not selling anything until we get under 368, baby.
Right on.
Gotcha. What was your short trigger again? Sorry, was it one of those calculated levels?
Yeah,
and then
so
time
the
of day as well.
322.70 was the high that I was looking for. If it could get that this week, I wanted to be short that, and I still am, and I'm going to hang on to it. I have 2 weeks out expiration on these, so it's not just for this Friday; it's for the following Friday. It's in a nice downtrend off the highs. There's a big volume area at 274, and so far they've supported that, right? But if my thesis was if we continue down, this is kind of like the top of this channel. If we reverse back down and head back down to 274, we're going to at least test that VPOC again. And if that can't hold, there's nothing holding this thing up to 200. This thing is just trading. It's like the bots are in complete control, man. I mean, so hourly closes over the 20, especially right here. If we close the hourly here, I will be expecting that pullback. If we break new out on the hourly, I think it's going to take a catalyst to do that. But if we do, we could get that nice accelerated move to the high of the week. I don't think that that's going to happen this morning without a catalyst. So, I think we're at decent short targets here pretty quick. But it could be a good long if it pulls back into this 320 today and the 20 MA on the 60. It could be a nice long. So I will be watching that. There is a potential for a long there if it can pull into it. Let some time pass or get a quick wash. So the only way I'm touching this is if I get that wash. If it does break out, I think it's going to be short-lived. It's not going to last long, so I'm not touching it on a breakout. It's going to have to. I don't care if it goes to 310, so be it. But it's not, the risk is not worth, to me, the reward's not worth the risk on that. It needs a wash, a quick wash into this, or some time to pass, which means it's probably going to chop around for a day or so. The thing is, on Roku, is the bots are going to buy. Let's see, let me look at this again. We're looking at 156.56, right? So that's cracked. That's the mark. If we can get a pop back up into here, I like it short. Now, I would even add as far as up to here to the 200, to the 20 MA on the 60. But if it can't close this hour up over this 156, 56, we can't close this hour up over here. This is going to be a nice short. And I think it's headed back to 140. They're going to buy up, the bots are going to buy up 147.56. Okay. Let's go, baby. Just didn't get there though. Still, I need to see that 147 before I touch these calls. So come on, fly up here and give me a chance to get some puts. Get ready to get some puts on this thing. Let's see.
Order filled.
All right, so I got a starter on the puts there on Roku. I got a starter on the puts. Boom, just in time too, boy. Nice.
Order filled.
I just got out the last contract for the call side. I'm going to let some things play out though. I want to take some profit on the puts here. And when we get down to this, let's see if we test this 150.46 area. And like I said, this was my sweet spot for the dip buy. I'm going to take another strike on the calls here, right here. Baby, come on, let's go. Pay attention now. Let's do this. Look at these freaking puts. Just ripped to $7, man. 630. Woo, look, nice payday on the puts, man. There it is. Let's go. Picking up the calls. Come on. There we go. Nice. Got some calls started there.
Order filled.
Got some calls going there on Roku. And I got a starter going on the calls there, and I got a fishing order out for some more with a really, really nice. So if it pulls back hard here and actually hits the 147, I'll give me a nice fill on that one here.
Order filled.
Sold some puts. Ooh, look at 147 is going to get tested here. No bid, nothing's getting bought up here. Let's see what happens. See if these. Not yet. There it is. Come on, give me a fill. Give me a fill. About to market out of these puts. Dang, I got partial fill. You suck. Come on. I don't want to have to market out of these. Give me a. Oh well, that was a good trade, man. Can't say. Just had to market out of the last couple. It's all right.
Order filled.
Got shorts piling in. Now I'm looking for the volume here. We need this volume to confirm. And we're starting to get it, you know. Can take a little time here and get some volume to confirm. I think this thing could push back up into 156.